Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Varbi Roy, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Philosophy, Scottish Church College, Kolkata. For nearly 18 years, the college has been my academic home where I have grown as an educator, researcher, mentor, and learner. My journey in higher education has been guided by a simple yet profound principle that teaching must nurture not only the intellect but the whole person. In my classroom, I strive to move beyond rote learning to create an environment where students feel intellectually challenged, emotionally safe, and ethically engaged. I regularly integrate experiential and outcome based learning practices, ranging from group presentations to the use of structured feedback and reflection mechanisms. Our departmental student magazine, Spectrum, which has been in a publication since the last 3 years, which I initiated, which I can proudly say, is now a platform for student voices in multiple languages, reflecting a culture of creativity and inclusivity. One of the most rewarding contributions has been to gender sensitization and social inclusion on campus. I co edited a book, which is a student manual, which is named Conceptualizing Living, Interrogating Gender, that invites critical engagement with patriarchy, feminism, and power structures. As a mentor and facilitator, I have had the privilege of working with young educators through FDPs, drawing insights from Harvard Bach Teaching Certificate, which I did in back in 2020, and my other collaborations with the United Board for Christian Higher Education in Asia. Now, sharing these learning and in these settings has enriched my own teaching philosophy. I have had the privilege of being part of United Board Fellows Program, participating in international exchanges and seminars in Manila, Philippines, and Singapore, and serving as a resource person in FDPs across India. These experiences have broadened my own perspective on pedagogical leadership, particularly around service learning and civic education. As joint coordinator of Service Learning Cell at our college, I advocate for integrating classroom learning with community engagement. I see my work as part of a larger commitment to institutional development. As a member of several academic committees from undergraduate board of studies in philosophy, University of Calcutta, which is our affiliating university, to our college's service learning cell, NIRF committee, IQAC core committee, research and development cell, I've worked collaboratively to shape politics, coordinate seminars, and build academic networks that serve both our college and the broader higher education landscape. Above all, I see teaching as a deeply human act. I begin the very first course with fresh batch of students by sharing not just my expertise but my failures and lesson learns because I believe that vulnerability builds trust. I listen closely to students, adapt to their diverse needs, and use pedagogies of imagination, reflection, and empathy to create inclusive and motivating learning environments. As I look ahead, I remain guided by one thought that the true purpose of education is not just to inform, but to transform. Thank you so much.